Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Starbucks website UI design in Canva. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. So let's start. Go to elements, insert a rectangle, and you have to increase its length and width like this. Then you have to move it towards the right of the website page. Then you have to change its color. So I have used this green chart color that I have used from the ink dropper. Now I'm gonna choose a file and then I'm gonna remove its background. You have to go to apps option under this project option. Then you have to write a search the background eraser option, and then there will come this background eraser option, and I have inserted this cup and I have removed its background. Now I'm gonna go and get some cocoa beans and I'm gonna remove its background as well, and uh, crop one of them, and then I'm gonna place it right here. Adjust them all over to around the cup. You can also use the same beans, but you have to flip them horizontally or vertically, and you have to change their positions to backward or front. Now you're gonna go select the cup and then you're gonna blur it. Now you have to add a heading from this text option on the left panel. Firstly, you have to insert the logo of Starbucks. Now you have to add a heading, and as this is a special offer, I'm gonna write here a special offer, and then I'm gonna write the contents of what the coffee contains. But right now I'm gonna use a sample text, which is a lorem some text. Now you have to change it font. Add another heading. You have to go to elements and then you have to search Twitter X, and you have to choose this Twitter symbol, and then you have to change this color from the color option into black. That's it. So I have changed this color into green, and now I'm gonna write Facebook, and then I'm gonna choose the symbol of Facebook, and then I'm gonna change this color to green as well. You have to decrease its size accordingly to the Twitter icon size, and then you have to place it side by side. Then you have to add another heading of Starbucks coffee. And you have to add a rounded cornered rectangle, and then you have to decrease the size like this. Then you have to duplicate it, and then you have to decrease the transparency rate of the seconds of the rectangle. Then you have to add order now. So this is the final result. Don't forget to like the video.